etiefo asɛm bi esi ɛwɔ Ghana asɛm bi esi wɔ Ghana na answer na mehyɛ asɛm the clap for Ghana again hey answer na better asɛm the subscribe na click the notification bell no and no any that screen so sisi a we understand latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka na asɛm we minim ɛyɛ mesre esanso ɛyɛ me hwanwa so say ni na mix the motions na mama kai emra na ye ko school emra na ye nkola no ye say clap for ma again we dey clap for Ghana o asɛm no enesen ye ne edim say me ne wo kasai aban de Stephen Oponi ene nkrofo bi akokot na obi be bisa say Stephen Oponi woni hwan Stephen Oponi ye beka say na oye aban crash kese na cocoa board ye ka cocoa board a tese wo mo na ehwe Ghana cocoa nsensem so cocoa sikasem fertilizer ansem ne nyama no Stephen Oponi na wo hwe so aban de Stephen Oponi akokot say ye hwe embra na NDC ete so inyamanya be bia ekọ so fertilizer nsensem bi sika nsensem bi asebe ekọ se ya sika no ebi yesusu se katahyehe ne proye ebe mu no eno ho nti na aban ede Stephen Oponi ekogina court se court embu no fo na the charge be a court ede beto ne so no court enfanto ne so for causing I think the charge then causing financial loss to the state what you say na to say yes Ghana scano ye de man no sebi wodi ko twa ne num spedede na wono Stephen Oponi ene nkrofobia wo mususu se na wo mo eboa no e ma sebi sa akata se ene proye no ekoso no ye de omunia ekogina court na ya de ade bia wo mo court de bia wo mo court I think it started last year wo mo court de bia ye kwa na case no yaka na tese ye nkan wie na ya age ne case no ye kan ye nkan wie na ya age ne case ne tiefo na ende na e wo se wo mo court na wo do court ye see hard days because the normal thing e wo court and say sabi wo de obi court ye record the proceedings no any bibia e wo computer so ye computer hard disk na me yo bia I have a degree in computer science. I have a degree in computer science. Me we KNUST computer science. I have a degree in computer science. It's about IT months and some minimu ye. It's me a metre adwen. Na senya na make no court proceedings no. It's here for muntie ni yo. Court proceedings no. Die esi ene say course wa wo bi wo ho a wo record atu computer so. Until later ye ba na yehu ne say okay asem no yakan esise ni nia no part of the court documentation ho na etiefo asem aba ene say hard disks ehye computer mo say computer ye type Stephen Oponi case no egu so no etiefo ye se wo bi ekowia hard disks na ehye sa computer ni mu Ghana etiefo yes wo bi ekowia hard disk no na obi beka say ebia wo bi nim IT mu wo beka say hard disk eno ene den hard disk ade a ye beka say the operating system of the computer no ye diguso na me pese me break it down to a layman say wo pese wo so computer na ebia wo ko desktop what you say ehọ na wo be hu bibi ti say web browser ne san nyama no folder ene njom no eno ene sa bibia sa nyama ni nia wono my computer ne recycle bin no ehọ ye friend desktop na run on just operating system no na ema wo be booty akọ desktop na operating system no ye store eto hard disk so ena ye mfa ne say we use Microsoft Word na just software na ye de type no wo type we na wo save a ekogu hard disk ne so inti just wo wia hard disk na wo two hard disk every computer mo a wo so computer ne kran na wo be wo say entroyer black and white depend ebe ba so computer no entumi embuti enko desktop because hard disk na operating system ne shame no ye wia inti just say si an computer no utumi use fa nyehwe say hard disk ni mo a utumi use hard disk ye betumi aka say hard disk is the heart of the computer sa na ye betumi aka no say hard disk is the heart of the computer. Obi betumi aka say maybe hard disk is the brain of the computer and at the memory of the computer. But yeah, you know, obi a why IT moves and no betumi aka say the brain of the computer is the CPU. What you say? But who person will store BB? Who person will dey jum egu o computer so ne sa nyama ni na? Who dey go computer ne so ekoku hard disk ne so. It is obi betu hard disk ne fi computer ne mo a. Sa nyum na o dey go computer ne so no unya biom. What you say? That is the simple and the simplest explanation I made to me and mama. Obeti ase. Ya bobo document, ya bobo proceedings. They be Stephen Opuni. Wakwa court na ya bobo nsem no egu computer ne so na tie for ya say hard disk na sha computer ni mu no. Wo bie ko wia. Na enda me ne wo ka say asem no ya asem a nkrofo ntie ase ama national security crabem. Na national security womo abem no yenyantie se womo ache nkrofo bia na womo ye adwuma e wo judicial service ho information technology IT department just say womo so womo nkrofo bia womo ye adwuma e wo IT department no womo susu se mo na enso mo hwe sa computer ne sa nyama ne so it is a hard disk ayera mo na ye beba bebisa mo it enda me ne wo ka se ya cheche nkrofo bi wo ho a police for area investigations etiefo na womo susu se mo na mo ye adwuma wo ho no sa ayera dia eyemo international security for achenkrofo a chese womo seize womo mobile phones nhwehwemu ahwe se nkrofo we womo nim hu bibia na womo susu se sebe ebia na opuni case na ekono womo hu ne se ebia case no yanhwe ya Stephen Opuni ye bechi na atumi ntia na ya hyede ko wia hard disk no etiefo ya abrehosem na me no as obia me say me ye obia me ye computer scientist no asemwe me ya me diareho because adie way they can prevent it etiefo Ghana we etrese Ghana ye we chie obi be sasa den na make say we are not serious as a country. Hey, in court mo pesa mo tell me say you can't save on the cloud. The only storage you have is on the hard disk. Seriously. And only some course no mo pesa mo tell Ghana for. Hey, are we serious as a nation? There's a technology about here Ghana for. Hey, etiefo asem we there. Na mama explain the bibi ntremo. Bibi wo wi asem my friend cloud storage. Na example Google Drive. O type Google Drive Google Drive na there an say. Wo information bi wo computer so. Wonim say information we very critical ra ho betrewa. There wo betumi aye and say wo be create Google Drive account. And now say another app your friend Dropbox. Who be create sa Dropbox and Google Drive account we. Who create sa account now? You be ma okwan say sa information and sa documents now wo na 1% be ira no. Wo de beto Google Drive ni mu and Dropbox ni mu. Na eno no wo pia entumi wia because we hard disk say you be hard disk na sa documents no ayira o ni biom. But o de ko to Google Drive so a wo use will be computer crana wo betumi still akọ download this document no wo kwa approach crana still wo betumi access this document no and eno any baby a wi ase na du nti ende nkrofo bi wo ho crana wo mo save inyama ento wo mo computer hard disk so because wo ni say hard disk no one say nya Ghana dum so koso yi hard disk no wo ni say dum so light e kwa off sana na wo computer no e dum straight sana wo hard disk ne betumi crash. Inti send ya Ghana sisi ya na dum so koso yi o hard disk betumi crash inti na say ngofo bebre wo hokra omo store nyama nto omo hard disk so because omo nim say hard disk ne betumi crash anytime omo nim say omo store eto omo computer so a wo bia wo be have access to the computer no wo be have access to that information wo mo nim say wo bi betumi be ya hard disk and obi betumi ya computer no inti the best wo mo asabe wo mo nim nim de wo IT mu de wo mo ye and say what the two cloud storage so and no na mabodin actually so Google Drive and Dropbox wo hosa na se won to me kana hwe wo bia email account wobetumi save this proceedings cry out to email account as a draft. Who upload it to email account as a person will send email ma obi. Now what the men send biom. Who email account will be save that particular file as a draft. It will call email account nimu now we call drafter. Who be who say information in your ho. And now say what the when ya what the person say where they are barefoot na who so a they will be to me and say what the per flash drive. I find a pen drive. Get a secret pen drive and a flash drive. It's information proceedings then be what the fatu flash drive ne so. Because and there wo poni echo court no asem no yentumi antiaso just because you say hard disk no ayera. Inti asem no yasanso atwea ko 13th of next month November. It is at 13th of next month a ban na hard disk ni yenhu na does asem no ye atwea ko. Na does asem no ya da ne foolish case no. Inti nanka wo bi sebi pray answer. Epe eye pen drive and the pen drive you saying ukra 20 cedis ka go to me nya pen drive be 8 gig. Inti nanka wo bi enya pen drive 20 cedis keke unya pen drive na wo the information no eya sa post proceedings no eya ye wo word format mu nti eya entry space a inti nanka ni nia betumi akọ pen drive ne so nanka ende hard disk ayere nanka no na say watch pen drive na mo apɛ hard disk foforo e de ahye computer bi mu ana wa personal laptop na wo the pen drive na shim na no information ni wo na say charge no wachia ensem ne so inti senia ewiase eko nenim no Ghana ebe yeni oh dabi etie for montra mwadwo comment box na asem we de eya rewo na mete say eye the judicial service they have something called the IT department no ayemeya. Because if you have the IT department, sa omo abomuye adwuma ewo eye judges ni we na betumi aba say ebi mo omo ye BBC you can BBC at say born before computer ipelifo bi wo ho abomo aben but eba computer mo abomu nim hwe type nkra na ye den matu bi pen embre bi na me ye adwuma ewo ECG na me ye adwuma IT ewo ECG obehu mpanyifo ECG mpanyifo a papafo mpanyifo na so computer no obehu say wo say me computer na emba wo bekwa kohwe na say be code na keyboard code a ehye system unit na echi no etu eno keke e na wo so say the computer ma ne akọ fix ama no ti mpanyifo no bi wo ho a bebre na wo mu enim computer mu enti you have IT department at least IT department na dey wo mu aboye nim computer mu ne ade omu egu ho se pelifule tumi anya sa IT department mu ankasa mu tumi anya bibisa am back up mo pese mo tell me say you have no backup o mai bi ni ebu ni say oh dabi we amano name bro for 40 a wo mo be sere yen bebi ariase edu sesei no oh dabi etie for montra madwo comment box ni mo me da ase